Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at my filming studio in the new house. Now, this is fantastic for anybody who is looking to create their own YouTube channel, or for the guest lectures that I do on music entrepreneurship of how I recreated the filming studio that I had in my old house in my new house. Now you can see that I've got shoes in this room, I've got some clothes in this room, largely because the whole house is currently being renovated. So if you hear some pounding, that is because the workers are hard at work creating my studios. But in the meantime, this is the room that I am currently filming in. So let's dig in. Okay, so here is a little bit of a viewpoint of my filming space. I have lots of box lights lighting me from every angle. I have a black panel and of course my giraffe. The giraffe, you can see he is standing on a box so that he actually comes in at the same height, but also I get the angle on his face correct. Of course, this is fantastic for product branding. This is one of the things that makes my channel easily identifiable, as well as my reed company. The bit of the black panel that is behind me, this is just a piece of neoprene that I actually bought to create vocal pouches. And I realized that if I had a black backdrop, that it would be universal, and sliding elements in over the giraffe would be seamless. I have a light box in that corner, a light box here, a light box here, here, and then a ring light. This is so that I am lit from all angles and there is less chance of shadows that are falling on my face. Now over here I have my laptop, and as you can see on my laptop, I have my live streaming of what's happening in the camera in real time, so I can see there's my camera, and here I am so I can see what is happening. Now the camera that I have is a Nikon, so this linking the two together is actually a bit of a challenge. I did it with a software, so I will link all of the products, everything that I'm using, in the description box. This right here is my zoom that fits in front of me. Usually the zoom is on a tripod directly next to my face, but I'm using the tripod right now to hold the camera. So I do import the audio separate from the video because I find that that just gives it a better sound quality. And then I have my notebook of notes. Before you ever see a video, I do a full outline of everything that I need to talk about, and then I review it as I am filming the video. Directly beside me, the most important part, there's usually a Coco that sometimes is sleeping and sometimes stirring up trouble. Okay guys, this is my setup for when I am filming at home. You can see that it's very bright and light, even though it is a terribly rainy day here in Alabama. That's one of the things that I do. I close all of the blinds in this room so that they're basically a blackout, but it allows me to be able to film any time of day and get the exact same lighting each time. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss a future video, be sure to click that subscribe button, and let me know if you want to see what is happening with all the chaos of my house. I will see you guys next time. Bye.